When I was younger, I had no idea how to apply eyeliner, so it would all be like a zig-zag line. But I think over the years, I've kind of learned to master it now. Lip balm, a bright lipstick, and a kajal pencil. Wash my face. Don't ever sleep with your makeup on, because if you wake up the next morning, you'll have pimples everywhere. Always remove your makeup. No matter how tired you are, whatever time you come back home, please remove your makeup. Take care of your skin, simple things in life, keep yourself hydrated, and just don't use too much of makeup on your face. She's too young now, but the simple things, drink a lot of water, wear sunscreen, which is really important. Cleanse your face and use a simple, good, rich night moisturizer. I think that's very important. Oh my god, a bright lipstick, definitely. Jennifer Aniston, because she always looks really clean and fresh, nude lips, straight hair, looks really fresh all the time. Of course, I think when I was younger, I had no idea how to apply eyeliner, so it would all be like a zig-zag line. But I think over the years, I've kind of learned to master it now. 3, good cleanser, a good exfoliator, and a wonderful cream like Pond's Age Miracle.